Today, I'm going to teach you how to send email to multiple recipients without them knowing in Outlook. So I'm starting by opening my Microsoft Outlook app on my computer. Once the app opens, I'm logging into my account and waiting for everything to load. This just takes a moment as Outlook pulls up all my emails and gets the inbox ready. Once that's done, I can see my email list on the screen, and now I'm ready to start composing a new message. From here, I'm looking at the top left part of the screen where the main tools are located. I can see the new email button right there, so I'm clicking on it to open up the email composition window. This is where I'll be able to write the message and set up the recipients. As soon as I click that button, the compose window pops up, and now I have a blank email ready to work with. Now, before I start typing anything or adding recipients, I need to enable a specific feature that will let me send this email to multiple people without them knowing who else received it. To do that, I'm looking at the top part of the compose window where all the tabs are located. I can see tabs like Message, Insert, and Options. So I'm clicking on the Options tab. This is where Outlook keeps some of the more advanced settings for email composition. Once I'm in the Options tab, I'm looking through the toolbar that appears, and right here I can see a button labeled BCC. This stands for Blind Carbon Copy, and this is exactly what I need. So I'm clicking on the BCC button. As soon as I do that, a new field appears in the recipient area of my email. Now I have the usual To field, and right below it or next to it, I can see the BCC field has been added. This is the field that lets me add multiple recipients without any of them seeing who else is on the list. When someone receives an email through BCC, they only see their own email address. They don't see anyone else who was copied on the message. This is really useful when you want to send the same email to a group of people, but keep everyone's email address private from each other. Now that the BCC field is enabled, I can start filling it in. So I'm clicking inside the BCC field and typing in the email addresses of everyone I want to send this message to. I can add as many recipients as I need, and I'm separating each email address with a comma or semicolon, depending on how Outlook is set up. As I add each address, I'm making sure they're all going into the BCC field and not the regular To field. If I accidentally put them in the To field, everyone will be able to see each other's email addresses, which defeats the whole purpose. So I'm just double checking that everything is in BCC. Once all the recipients are added, I can go ahead and write the subject line and the body of the email just like I normally would. I'm typing in the subject at the top, then clicking down into the message area and writing out whatever I need to say. I can format the text, add attachments, or include links if I want. Everything works the same way as a regular email. The only difference is that all the recipients are hidden from each other because they're in the BCC field. After I've finished writing the email and I've checked everything over to make sure it looks good, I'm ready to send it. So I'm moving down to the bottom of the Compose window and clicking the Send button. As soon as I do that, the email goes out to everyone in the BCC field. Each person will receive the message, but they won't see who else got it. They'll only see their own email address, which keeps everyone's privacy protected. And that's it. I enabled the BCC field by clicking Options and then BCC in the Compose window, added all my recipients to that field, wrote my email, and clicked Send. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.